Sniper trade of the day for August 19th, 2026, wheat and precious metals. So the daily range yesterday is the black box at 1. The third minutes of Asia, black, up to the attention to the range and again, green box, play by 4, the third risk, and father and the arrow rolling over, dragon was up 3. So 7 leads, lower high, rolled the X with the at 8, short, so the data and power actually did take it and closely so there's room for the same continued trend. That's pretty good. That's for digital detector. That's a trade for and I'll we have been much more straight with also redundant just against person and metal contacts if you get in on the facial special open base room. Thanks for kind attention.